112 on the count. Every one of them carrying full span. Tag and scan as they move, don't hold them up. 90 through already. Come and feel this one. You won't know what's inside until it's cut. Flag it. Gates 4 and 5, wide open. Watch the horn span through the narrow section. 28 to a trailer. Mind the horns at the door frame. One secure. Intake, we're flagging a horn on arrival. Second trailer. 2 kilometers out.
Copy. All 4 bays are clear for you.
Gates clear. Bring them straight in. 4 units. Bays 1 to 4. Back it up. Straight on the line. Ramps coming down on all 4. Easy. Let them find their feet. 28 out of the first one. Check them on the move, nobody stops. 3 doctors on the floor.
Horn intact, full span, no fracture. Hide clear. Next.
940 on that one.
Under 2 seconds each, keep them walking.
112 logged, all 4 readings each. Nothing flagged on the doctor's check.
All 3 lanes live. 8 and bar on the overheads.
Horn cycle on all 3. 40 seconds a pair.
Blowers at 70. 90 seconds, and they're through.
8.4 ahead. 12 liters a minute on the water points.
All 112 cleared and fed.
Preparation hall is running. Start the line.
224 on the tables.
Grade them by span first, then density.
81 centimeters on the outside curve.
Log it and pass it down.
Density profile on every one before it goes to the saw. 0.1 millimeter resolution.
This is the one they flagged at the farm. Set the line at the second ring. Let's see.
Look at that. Get out. That's why you never know. That's why.
Hold it steady. Amber right through.
Maybe 1 in 50 comes out like that. 6 beds running.
No 2 the same out of the whole batch.
4 sections a half. Keep them in order. The pattern runs through. Sort by tone, darkest to lightest. Yeah. These 4 stay together. Same horn. 224 sections through to the press.
Amber tray leads.
224 sections through to the press. Amber tray leads.
8 beds running! Amber tray to press 1.
4 up, evenly spaced.
160 degrees, 90-second cycle.
Here's where you lose them. If the banding runs, it's gone.
Ninety seconds.
It held. Right the way across. Set it aside.
56 sheets off the first run. Rack them by tone. 20 minutes on the cold table.
Yeah.
Don't stack them until they're flat cold.
2.2 millimeters, even the whole way.
Log it and send it to sanding.
Sort by tone, darkest to lightest.
Those 4 stay together all the way through.
224 sheets through to sanding.
Yep.
Amber leads. Softest grade first on those.
12 arms live. Amber set to bench 1, softest grade only.
Course pass, 120 grit.
Take it slow across the banding.
It goes all the way down. That's not surface, that's through the whole sheet.
240, 400, then 800. 3 passes and it's ready for polish. Clear it before it goes to polish.
Yes, Butch.
Any dust left and it'll mark.
Compound on, light pass first.
1200 RPM, no more.
$224 panels through.
Rack them by tone, amber at the front.
Panels through to the leather line. They'll be set into the hide from here.
Hides are laid and rested.
Bring the amber panels to bench 1.
Full grain, nothing corrected.
That's fine.
120 do across the back.
Front, back, gusset, flap, straps, pocket.
Yields at 987. Straight in, no gap.
That's the pair.
Edges down to 1 millimeter. Okay. Every panel before it joins.
Glued and set. 90 seconds to tack before it goes under the needle.
8 stitches to the inch. Keep it even round the horn window.
That's the body closed. Hardware bench next. Straps and buckles.
Brushed brass throughout.
4 presses running, bring it to 2.
Brush brass throughout.
4 presses running, bring it to 2.
4 rivets and anchor.
Both short.
Both shoulders. Then the hull loop.
Full travel both sides. 40 centimeters of adjustment. Padded sleeve inside, 16 inch. It's holding its shape now.
First coat. 2 more after this, dried between each.
Burnished by hand, every edge. Nothing about this part is automated.
6 seconds at 110. Dead center under the horn.
Conditioned and rested an hour. Then it goes to inspection. 56 through finishing.
No 2 front panels the same.
56 to the table. Keep the amber one at the end. That's the one they flagged.
Straps, buckles, 16 seams, horn seat.
This one's proud at the corner. Rejected.
That's the one from the farm. Went through the saw, the press, and the sander, and it's still there. Tag it for the archive.
$55 boxed and manifested. 1 held back for the archive.
You never know until you cut it.